Let's add page number in Word document. We have this document which contains 5 pages. We would like to add page number to this document. So to add page number, for that let's move to Insert tab. After coming to the Insert tab, move to Header and Footer section, Group and Page Number, and just select the location here, for example bottom up page, and we want to insert at the right side. Press it. So the page number has been inserted. It means this is the first page and we have the first here. But if you want to start, it means start from the second page. It means to have first in the second page. So for that, select different first page, and then let's move page number and format page numbers and start at 0. Press OK. So what it will do, now in the second page it will start from the second page. So this is first in the second page, second, third and fourth. We have 5 pages, but the first page is 0. So that is how we can insert the page number in MS Word document. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.